fuq dajsa ta' 300 ruħ u spiċċaw huma 3. Fiċ-ċentru ta' detenzjoni f'Al Safi iltqajna ma' 3 immigranti minn Gaza li salvaw mit-traċedja ta' nhar is-Sibt li għadda. L-immigranti qalu li xtaqgħu jitilqu minn pajjiżhom u għalhekk ħallsu $4,000 lill-Eġizzjan li rranġalhom vjaġġ lejn l-Italja. F'ġimagħtejn waslu minn Gaza sal-Eġittu fejn qabdu l-ewwel vapur.
They told us that we will save all travels. We will save. We will be in good shape. And they told us about it will be a big ship, not a boat.
Kienu mitluba jbidlu d-dajsa 3 darbiet, ma t-tielet darba irrifjutaw.
And last ship, before making crash us, they found a small ship, and they want to make us to go to the small ship. We are 300. We can't do that. And then we shouted. We ignored that, of course. Then they said, okay. After that, about 3 to 4 hours, another ship came to us and crashed us.
Viżibilment emozzjonati rrakkuntaw dak li ġara fil-ftit minuti qabel ma l-ħolma tagħhom deret l-isfat fix-xejn.
After crashed us, we are on water. They around us and laughing and ran away. Why they did that for us, we don't know.
Ftit l-immigranti bdew jerqu.
See, and we stay 5 days. Yes, in this moment about 200 people die, and about 100 being alive in first moment. Then in 5 days they will die every day. Some people died, some children, some women.
Fl-aħħar feġġeġ xi ftit tama.
We swimming to them about 5 kilos. Then we shouted, they heard us. Then they save us at night.
Fisrulna kif qatt ma basru li se jispiċċaw f'pajjiżna u ma jixtiequx jibqgħu hawn.
This country is so small. It's so small. We don't want to stay here in this country. Our family, some of our family in Sweden, we want to go to Sweden to live there.